If you want to become successful in your life, watch this video. Creating a success plan. In life, we all have goals and aspirations that we want to achieve. However, without a plan, it can be difficult to turn those dreams into reality. Planning is essential for achieving success. It provides direction, sets priorities, ensures efficient use of resources, helps to measure progress, improves decision-making, and provides motivation. By creating a well-thought-out plan, you can increase your chances of achieving your goals and realizing your dreams. That's why having a success plan is crucial to achieving success. Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss the steps to creating a success plan that will help you achieve your goals. We'll go over how to define your goals, create a roadmap, establish milestones, measure your progress, and stay motivated. So, let's get started. The first step to creating a success plan is to define your goals. This means taking some time to really think about what you want to achieve. Your goals should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. In other words, they should be SMART goals. Defining your goals is essential for achieving success. It provides clarity, helps you stay focused, provides motivation, allows you to measure progress, helps you make better decisions, and increases your chances of success. By taking the time to define your goals, you can set yourself up for success and achieve the things you want in life. For example, if your goal is to start a business, you might define it as follows. I want to start a software development company within the next 2 years that generates $1 million in revenue annually. Once you have defined your goals, write them down and keep them in a visible place. This will help you to stay focused and motivated. Being focused to your goal makes you persistent toward your goal. The second step is to identify the obstacles. There are many obstacles that can make it difficult to achieve success and reach your goals. These obstacles can include a lack of motivation, procrastination, lack of focus, fear of failure, lack of resources, and a negative self-talk. Identifying these obstacles to achieving your goal is essential for achieving success. It helps you create a plan, allows you to prepare for challenges, helps you stay focused, provides motivation, helps you learn and grow, and increases your chances of success. By taking the time to identify the obstacles that stand in your way, you can overcome them and achieve your goals. The third step is to create a roadmap that will help you achieve your goals. This means breaking down your goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. Creating a roadmap to achieving success is essential for reaching your goals. It provides clarity, helps you stay focused, allows you to monitor progress, increases motivation, helps you make better decisions, and provides accountability. By taking the time to create a roadmap, you can increase your chances of achieving success and reaching your goals. For example, if your goal is to start a software development company, some of the tasks might include conduct market research to identify a target market and potential customers, develop a business plan that outlines your company's mission, vision, and goals, secure funding to cover startup costs, hire a team of developers and other staff members, develop and launch a software product. Create a list of all the tasks you need to complete in order to achieve your goals. Then, prioritize them based on their importance and create a timeline for completing each one. The fourth step is to establish milestones. Establishing milestones is an important step of creating a success plan. Milestones are specific goals that you set for yourself along the way to achieving your larger goals. Establishing milestones is an important part of creating a success plan. It provides a sense of progress, allows you to evaluate progress, helps you stay focused, provides motivation, helps you manage time, and provides flexibility. By breaking down your goal into smaller, achievable milestones, you can increase your chances of achieving success and reaching your goal. For example, if your goal is to start a software development company, some milestones might include completing market research within the first month, developing a business plan within the first 3 months, securing funding within the first 6 months, launching a software product within the first year. Establishing milestones will help you stay motivated and give you a sense of accomplishment as you achieve each one. The fifth step is to measure your progress. It is an important part of creating a success plan. This means tracking your progress toward your goals and making adjustments as needed. Measuring your progress is an essential part of creating a success plan. It allows you to track progress, stay focused, provide feedback, help you identify success factors, help you identify challenges, and allows you to celebrate success. By measuring your progress, you can make adjustments to your plan as needed and increase your chances of achieving success and reaching your goals. For example, if your goal is to start a software development company and one of your milestones is to complete market research within the first month, you might track your progress by setting up a spreadsheet that lists all the tasks you need to complete for market research and their deadlines. Each day, update the spreadsheet with your progress towards completing each task. If you find that you're falling behind, adjust your timeline and/or prioritize tasks differently. The sixth step is staying motivated, and it is key to achieving success. One way to stay motivated is to celebrate your successes along the way. For example, if you've completed market research within the first month, reward yourself with something you enjoy, like going out to dinner or buying yourself a small gift. Another way to stay motivated is to surround yourself with positive people who support your goals. Share your success plan with friends and family members who will encourage and motivate you along the way. Remember that creating a success plan is a process that requires patience, commitment, and dedication. It is essential to set realistic goals, break them down into smaller tasks, and create a plan that is flexible enough to accommodate unexpected challenges. Success is not achieved overnight, and setbacks are a part of the journey. However, by creating a success plan, you can stay focused, motivated, and committed to achieving your goals. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical tips on creating a success plan. Remember to stay positive, stay focused, and believe in yourself. With the right mindset, a clear plan, and a willingness to work hard, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. That's all for today's video. Feel free to share any helpful information in the comments below. And tell us in the comments what is one of your goals you want to accomplish. Don't forget to like the video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching and see you all soon.